Let's discuss how to market and sell your ebooks. There are 7 strategies to marketing your first book. You have the book, you have the great clickable cover design, you have it uploaded to KDP. Now, how do you get your book to show up in the first 2 pages of search results? Because people rarely go past the second page. You need to do some on-site SEO, search engine optimization, for your book. The good thing is, you don't need to spend time doing off-site SEO, such as creating backlinks, mentioning your book in forum posts, spending time on Facebook and Twitter accounts, etc. You can also do this, but the impact you get from these off-site CEOs is so negligible that you might as well spend your time coming up with ideas for your new books. The main reason off-site SEO doesn't work for Kindle ebooks is that people don't search Google to buy books. They come to Amazon to search for it. This makes all the difference in the world, and it will make your life much easier. Now, all you have to do is focus on getting more eyeballs for your books. 7 strategies to market and sell your first ebook. Number 1. Enroll in KDP Select. Number 2. Title and description should be keyword rich. Number 3. Come up with 7 keywords. Number 4. Reviews for your book. Number 5. Write about your book on your competitor's review section. Number 6. Request your readers to review and share. Number 7. Translate your book into other languages. Let's look at the 7 marketing strategies in the next lectures.